डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आइए देखते हैं ट्राइंगल का ये सम। यहाँ पर दिया है क्वाड्रेटरल ABCD is a parallelogram. P and Q are the points on diagonal DB such that DP is equals to QB. तो यहाँ पर DP is equals to QB दिया हुआ है। Prove that triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. तो यहाँ पर इसको करने के लिए हम लोग, जैसे कि पहले उन्होंने दिया है कि ABCD is a parallelogram, तो उसी से शुरुआत करेंगे हम लोग। प्रूफ में लिखेंगे क्वाड्रेटरल ABCD is a parallelogram. ओके, अब ये पैरेललोग्राम है तो इसमें हम लोग कर सकते हैं कि लाइक AB इज पैरेलल टू DC. ओके, और जब AB पैरेलल टू DC होगा तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल ऑल्टरनेट हो जाएगा। तो एंगल ABP इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल CDQ. ओके, ये हो जाएगा ऑल्टरनेट एंगल। ओके, अब इसके बाद हम लोग को ऑलरेडी उन्होंने DP इक्वल्स टू QB दिया हुआ है, DP इक्वल्स टू QB. ओके, तो दोनों में हम लोग PQ को ऐड कर देते हैं, तो DP प्लस PQ इज इक्वल्स टू QB प्लस PQ. ओके, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, DP प्लस PQ अगर हम लोग करते हैं तो हो जाता है DQ. ओके, एंड QB प्लस PQ करते हैं तो हो जाता है PB. ओके, तो इन शॉर्ट ये साइड भी हमारा कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गया है. ओके, अब इसके बाद इसके लिए DP ओके, तो हमें यहाँ पर एक एंगल और एक साइड मिल गया है, और साथ में पैरेललोग्राम ऑलरेडी हमने मेंशन किया है, तो यहाँ पर हम लोग लिख सकते हैं AB कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू DC, अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. अब यहाँ पर हमारे लिए ये साइड हो गया है, ये साइड हो गया है और ये एंगल हो गया है, तो यहाँ पर SAS टेस्ट बन जा रहा है. तो हम लोग इसे लिख सकते हैं ट्राइंगल APB इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल CQD. रीजन आ जाएगा SAS टेस्ट. अब देखिए इस सब में क्या दिया हुआ है, क्वाड्रेटरल ABCD is the parallelogram. M is the midpoint of BC. So if M is the midpoint of BC, we came to know that BM is equals to CM, and we have to show that DC is equals to CP. So in this, we'll assume these two triangles, and we have to prove them congruent. So we'll start proof. First statement we'll write like as it is, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, next whatever selected triangles are there, so in triangle AMB and triangle CMP, first M is the midpoint there already mentioned. Okay, so we can write BM is equals to CM. It is given. Okay, now next point, as AB is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC, sides of parallelogram, this angle must be same as this angle. It is alternate angle. You can see this, it is forming Z. Okay, so angle ABM is congruent to angle PCM, and this is alternate angle. Okay, so one side and one angle we got. This angle we can represent as vertically opposite. So angle AMB is congruent to angle CMP. This is vertically opposite angle. Okay, now you got the test. It comes ASA test. Okay, so we'll write triangle AMB is congruent to triangle CMP. Reason is ASA test. And by this, we come to know that AB is congruent to CP. AB is equals to CP, that is CPCT. Okay. And as we come to know, AB is equals to DC. AB is even equals to DC. It is given only that it is a parallelogram, and instead AB we can use DC. So there is CP is equals to DC. Now see in this sum, it is given in triangle ABD, AC is equals to AD equals to BC. So AC is equals to AD is equals to BC. And exterior angle DA is given 102. Okay. Find the angle X. And angle X we have to find out. So already they are given AC is equals to BC. Okay. This is given. And it indicates it is an isosceles triangle. So triangle ACB is an isosceles triangle. Okay. And as it is an isosceles triangle, angle CBA is equals to angle CAB. And as CBA is X, both became X. Now see, for the triangle ACB, angle ACD is an exterior angle. So angle ACD is equals to angle CBA plus angle CAB. And here we know that both is X. So it is X plus X will get 2X. So angle ACD, this angle we got 2X. AC is equals to AD. It is already given. So again, triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle. Here, angle ACD is became equal with angle ADC, and both is now 2X. Okay, 2X. So now, angle EAD is an exterior angle for the triangle ABD. Okay, so we can write here angle EAD is equals to angle ABD plus angle ADB. Okay, so angle EAD is already mentioned, it is 102, and ABD is X while ADB is 2X. So it becomes 102 is equals to 3X. So we can find X as 102 divided by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. So X is 34 degree. Okay, now see in this sum, in the given figure, AB is equals to AC is given, AP is equals to AQ is also given, and we have to prove that there are two proofs. First proof is triangle CAQ congruent to triangle BAP, and triangle BQC is congruent to triangle CP. So for the first proof, in triangle CQ and triangle BAP. Okay, so already they are given AB is equals to AC, it is given, and even AP is equals to AQ, it is also given. Okay, now see, and A is the common angle in between. So angle BAP is equals to angle CAP. So reason is common angle. Got the SAS test? So triangles became congruent. So triangle CAQ congruent to triangle BAP by SAS test. It's done. Okay, now see for the second part. Again there is triangle BQC and CPB. Triangle BQC BQC and CPB. This we have to prove. Again, we'll start with in triangle BQC and triangle CPB. Now in this triangle BQC and triangle CPB, already they are mentioned. AB equals to AC. It is given. Okay, and as AB is equal to AC, angle ABC is also equal with angle ACB. Okay, these two angles became same as it is a isosceles triangle. Like angle ABC, we can represent in this triangle like QBC. Angle QBC became equal with angle PCB. Okay, same angle written by different name. And after this, they are mentioned AQ is equals to AP. So we'll subtract this AQ from AB. Okay, so AB minus AQ became equal with AC minus AP. Okay, and AB minus AQ will get BQ. So this is BQ is equals to, will get PC. Okay, so two sides we got and one angle also we got, and one more BC is the common side in between. So we can write BC is equals to BC itself, that is common side. So according to that, SAS test will get. So triangle BQC is congruent to triangle CPB by SAS test. Okay, now see in this sum, they are given quadrilateral ABCD in which AP and CQ are perpendicular to diagonals. So AP and CQ are perpendicular to the diagonal DB. And AP is equal to CQ and AP is equal to CQ. It is given. Okay, now we have to prove that BD bisect AC. So in short, if BD bisect AC, that means we have to prove AO is equal to OC. Now see, in proof, first we'll choose the triangles. These two triangles we'll select. So in triangle APO and triangle COQ. In this, already they are mentioned AP is equal to CQ. So that will start with that. AP is equal to CQ and this is your given. And AP is perpendicular to DB and CQ is also perpendicular to DB. It is given. So we can write angle APO is equals to angle CQO and both are 90 degree. Now see, this angle is vertically opposite. So angle AOP is equals to angle COQ. This is vertically opposite angle. Okay, now there is AAS test is proved. So triangle APO is congruent to triangle CQO. The reason is what? AAS test. And as both the triangles are congruent, we can write AO is equals to OC. This is CPCT. And as these two are congruent, we can say BD bisect AC. Here it is given, prove that if altitudes from two vertices of a triangle to the opposite sides are equal, then the triangle is isosceles. Okay, now see, as they are given the altitudes are equal, that means QM is equals to RN. So QM is equals to RN. They are already given. Write the proof. So first we have to choose the triangle properly. Like if we have to prove the two sides of the triangle are congruent, so PQ and PR we have to consider. So triangle PMQ and triangle PNR. Now see, already they are mentioned, these altitudes are congruent, so QM is equals to RN. This is what given. Okay, now see, as these are altitudes, angle is 90 degree, so angle PMQ is equals to angle RNP. Okay, and both are 90 degree. Angle is P is common, so we can write angle MPQ is equal with angle RPN, and this is common angle. Okay, so by this two angle and one side we got, so triangle PMQ is congruent with triangle PNR by AAS test. Congruent, we can write here PQ is equals to PR, that is CPCT. Okay, and as PQ is equals to PR, we come to triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Now see in this sum, triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. So we'll start like proof. Triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so by this we come to know that PQ is equals to PR is equals to QR. All three sides are equal. Okay, and as we have to prove that QM is equals to RN, we have to consider a triangle. Like in triangle PNR and triangle PMQ. Okay, already we know that QM and RN are the medians. So as QM and RN are the medians, so PM became half of PR, and same PN is also became half of PQ, and as PR and PQ both are same, so we get here PM is equals to PN. So PM is equals to PN we got. Already medians we are written here. Okay, and angle P is the common angle. So angle NPR is equals to angle MPQ. This is common angle. So you can write here triangle PNR is congruent to triangle PMQ, and it will come by SAS test. Okay, and then we can write here QM is equals to RN by CPCT. It's done. आइए देखते हैं इस सब में. In the given triangles AC is equals to DF. So AC is equals to DF. BD is equals to CE. BD is equals to CE. And angle ACB is equals to FDE. This angle is equals to this angle. We have to prove that, और इसमें हमें प्रूव करना है एंगल A is equals to F. A और F को हमें इक्वल शो करना है. तो सबसे पहले दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हम लोग कॉन्ग्रुएंट शो कर देंगे. सो इन ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल DFE, यहाँ पर AC कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू DF ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर BD इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू CE ये हमको दिया हुआ है, DC हम ऐड कर देते हैं, तो BD प्लस DC हो जाएगा BC, और वहीं CE में अगर हम लोग DC ऐड कर देते हैं तो हो जाएगा CE प्लस DC। अब दोनों में हमने DC ऐड किया है, इसलिए इसमें कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ये इक्वली हो जाएगा। सो इसलिए यहाँ पर BD प्लस DC हो जाएगा BC एंड CE प्लस DC हो जाएगा DE। सो एंगल ACB is congruent to angle FDE। ये भी हमारे लिए गिवन ही था, और अब हमारे लिए टेस्ट बन चुका है यहाँ पर SAS टेस्ट। अब यहाँ ट्राइंगल ABC is congruent to triangle DFE by SAS टेस्ट, और जो हमारा एंगल A और F है वो भी कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएगा। सो एंगल A कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल F, और इसके लिए रीजन आ जाएगा CPCT। आइए देखते हैं, यहाँ पे अगले सम में दिया है ABCD इज द पैरेललोग्राम, X इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BC। सो यहाँ पर XB इज इक्वल्स टू XC हो जाएगा। X प्रोड्यूस टू मीट DC एट Q। ABPQ इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, तो अगेन ABX कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल QCX, DC इक्वल्स टू CQ इक्वल्स टू QP। तो देखिए इसमें सबसे पहले हम लोग ट्राइंगल चूज कर लेंगे, ये हो जाएगा ट्राइंगल ABX। सो इन ट्राइंगल ABX एंड ट्राइंगल QCX, इन दो ट्राइंगल्स में हमको करना है XB इज इक्वल्स टू XC, इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन। Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, we'll get AB is equals to DC, and even AB is parallel to DC. As it is a parallel, we'll come to know that this angle is equals to this angle. So angle ABX will be become equal with angle QCX. Reason is alternate angle. So angle AXB will be equal with angle QXC, और ये दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे by the reason vertically opposite. And now we got the test ASA. So we'll write the triangles. Triangle ABX became congruent to triangle XCQ by ASA test. And as both the triangles are congruent, we'll get AB is equals to CQ, and this is CPCT. Already we are stated here AB is equals to DC, so DC will be equal with CQ, and ABPQ, quadrilateral ABPQ is also a parallelogram. So therefore AB will be equal with QP. So we come to know, therefore DC is equals to CQ is equals to QP. So इस समय दिया है in triangle AOB and COD, angle B is equals to angle C. So angle B is equals to angle C, and O is the midpoint of BC. Okay, O is the midpoint of BC, so this is same. Find the values of x and y if AB is 3x, AB is 3x, CD is y plus 2, AO is x plus 2, and DO is y. So again, first we'll choose these two triangles and we'll prove that congruent. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Already it is given OB is equals to OC. Angle ABO is also equal to angle COD. Again here angle AOB and COD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. क्या होगा ये? Vertically opposite angle. Okay. So this also become equal. Now ASA test we got. So triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by ASA test. So we'll get AO is equals to OD. So we'll get x plus 2 is equals to y. Okay. So keep it as number 1. Now next. AB is equals to CD. So we'll get 3x is equals to y plus 2. Now substitute this y in this. So we'll get here 3x equals to y is x plus 2 and plus 2. So shift this x to this side. 3x minus x. 2 plus 2 became 4. 3x minus x is 2x and this is 4. So x is 4 upon 2. You can cancel it. So x is how much? 2. Substitute this x for y. So y is what? X plus 2. So finally y is 2 plus 2 and that is 4. So now see in this sum. PS bisects angle QPR. So PS bisect angle QPR. So these two angles will be same. And as well PS is perpendicular to QR. So PS is perpendicular to QR. So we'll get both sides it is 90 degree. And PQ is 2x. It is already mentioned. PR is 3y plus 8. And QS is x. SR is 2y. So now in these two triangles, first we'll prove it is congruent. So in triangle PSQ and triangle PSR. So as already mentioned, PS bisects QPR. So and we are marked here angle QPS is equals to angle RPS. Okay, it is given PS perpendicular to QR. That is also given. This we can write angle PSQ is equals to angle PSR and both are 90 degree. And PS became the common side between both. So PS is equal to PS itself became common side. Now triangles became congruent. So we can write triangle PSQ congruent to triangle PSR by ASA test. PQ is equals to PR and QS is equals to SR by CP/CT. So as PQ equals to PR, we'll get 2x equals to 3y plus 8. In second part, we'll get as QS equal to SR, x equals to 2y. So x is equals to 2y. Substitute in this. So we'll get 2x is 2y is equals to 3y plus 8. So it becomes 4y. 3y plus 8. 3y comes to this side. 4y minus 3y is equals to 8. 4y minus 3y is y equals to 8. Substitute y in this. So we'll get x equals to 2y. Then 2 into y is 8. So we'll get x equals to 16. And now in this sum, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC is given and CP and BQ are altitudes. Prove that CP equals to BQ. So now first in this we'll select the triangles. So in triangles AQB and triangle APC. As it is already mentioned, CP and BQ are altitudes. So we'll get angle AQB is equals to angle APC. Both are 90 degree and it is given as altitude. Now see, angle A is common angle. So in this we'll get angle QAB is equals to angle PAC. It is common angle. Now see, AB is equals to AC already given. So now we got triangle AQB is congruent to triangle APC by SAA test. And now we can write CP is equals to BQ by CPCT. In this sum it is given in triangle ABC, AC is equals to PC. So AC is equals to PC, it is mentioned. DE is drawn parallel to A. DE is drawn parallel to A. Angle EAC is 42 given. Find angle X. So as it is already mentioned, DE is parallel to BC. So it is given. So we'll get angle EAC is equals to angle ACB. Reason is alternate angle. So as EAC is 42, angle ACB is also became 42. ACB is 42 degree. So this became 42. Now see, AC is equals to BC. As AC is equals to BC, triangle ABC is an isosceles. So angle CAB, CBA, and both became X. Triangle ABC will use triangle property that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180. This is property of triangle. So angle A is what? Angle A is X, angle B is even X, angle C is 42. So X plus X became 2X, 42 we can shift to that side, it became 180 minus 42. So it is 2X, 180 minus 42 is 138. We can shift this 2 to that side, X is 138 divided by 2. So X is 2 6 ja 12, 1 carry, 18 हो गया, 2 9 ja 18. So it is X is 69. Now see in this sum, here it is given, find Y in the given diagram if AB is parallel to CD, EF parallel to AC and angle ADC is 58. It is given. So now see, first we'll find AEF, angle AEF is equals to Y. Okay. AD is equals to DC. It is given. So triangle DAC is an isosceles. So we'll get angle DAC is equals to angle DCA. Both we can take as X. So now in this triangle we can use the triangle property. So in triangle ACD, angle A plus angle C plus angle D is 180. So A is X, C is even X, angle D is 58. X plus X became 2X, shift this 58 to that side, that became 180 minus 58. So 2x is equals to 188. So shift x to that side. So shift 2 to that side. It becomes 122 upon 2. So it is 61. So x is 61. As we got x is 61, ACD. Okay. And both became alternate angle. So here angle EAC will get x. Okay. Even x is 61. And angle FEA plus angle EAC will get 180. As it is, angle FEA is y. This is 61. 80 minus 61, 119.